Baseball's in the air. What happened to all the Beamers? Ah, why did I take this road? My ride home is a little different. I just had a spoke removed. Sorry, replaced because it was broken on my back wheel. Shout out to NYC Velo Bikes on the repair. And I actually noticed that my rear wheel actually has had about 4 spokes replaced already, which means it's telling me that this wheel's probably nearing the end of its life. So it might have to be something that I have to look into eventually. So keep you posted on that. This is actually my specialized road bike. We'll see. Dickhead delivery bus truck. Dickheads. Take the more bike-friendly Central Park West. Seems like a better idea. Wow, look at that hole. Whew. Here's my old command, 20th precinct. Many moons ago. Ooh, watch the X5M. Don't hurt that baby. Beast. Look at that beast right there. One day maybe. The driver of that X5M has a handicap parking permit. Isn't that funny? Seems like just me. Every time I'm riding, the wind is pushing against me. Maybe that's God's sense of humor to push me to bike harder. We'll see. There's the door. I guess it's always not about speed, right? Sure. Seems like this block, everybody likes to block the bike lane. I don't know why. It should be named Dickhead Block. Everybody over the bike. Whoop whoop! Alright, there's traffic going into the Bronx. Oh, shit. My man's chain just broke. That's not good. Poor guy. My man's chain just snapped as he was about to take off. Here's one thing I don't miss, traffic. 360, the other guy chilling on his e-bike, not even pedaling, just using throttle. Dickhead City. I'm gonna cut through St. Mary's. Almost got squirrels. Wow. Please be aware of your dogs, people. Look at this guy. See? I didn't think he saw me. Not for nothing, but I'm effing hungry. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it home without eating something. I am freaking starving, man. Let's see what happens. Whoop, whoop. Heads up, big guy. Bye, guy. Heads up, buddy. Always an adventure on that freaking bridge. That was close. I wouldn't have won that battle with the truck. North, south, west, east. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Dickhead is gonna go, of course. What the hell happened there? Thinking about getting me the GoPro 4 Hero Sessions, which is a small version of the Mobius Sport Cam. The Mobius, from what I researched, seems like a pretty good deal. It's about 80 bucks. And it does pretty much the same thing that Hero Sessions does. The only thing is that it's not waterproof, I believe. It does record sport action at 720, and it's supposedly very good. So, I may do that instead of having this big heavy GoPro on my head. And that's the one thing. GoPros are great, but like when you ride in the city, it kind of sticks out. Kind of knows that's the first thing that people look at is your GoPro on top of your helmet. So, whatever, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Oh, some of that chicken will go good right now. I think I'm gonna make a quick pizza stop. Not bad. This tree, like street, but then it gets cut off right there. Quimby. Weird. Gonna hit sketchy ass Bruckner Boulevard. Usually not too bad though up here. Let's go. Woo! Nothing compares to that truck though that almost hit me. That was pretty scary. Because I didn't see that truck. He was practically on top of me. So that was pretty scary. Thank God it was nothing though. It smells like curry chicken and charcoal. Newcastle and Brooklyn. Top Banana. Pizza hit the spot. I remember when I used to take this route when I first started cycling. I used to go the opposite way. Take all of Bruckner to get to Bronx River. Needless to say, that was sketchy as heck going through there. Well, I'm almost home. Before it gets dark. Well, thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a great one.